How to fix Instagram story not deleting. Hello guys, so to fix this problem it's actually so easy. All what you have to do is very simple, so just keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone. After you open the settings you will find many options. All what you have to do is just go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode and then enable it and disable it again. After that, go back and this time go to the apps right here and wait a few seconds. After that, all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram like this and click on it. When you click on it, now all what you have to do here is click on this option. After you click on the option, now just go to the power usage details right here and click again on this force stop down here as you can see, and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. After that, restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.